Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm being phished by the Inland Revenue and the BBC. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so today, checking through my emails, it looks like I'm in big trouble with the Inland Revenue, and it's such a big problem that it's even been reported on the BBC News. So let's go over to my email and I'll discuss all about it and point out some of the obvious mistakes in this scam email. Okay, so my email is going to pop up over here. And this is the email I've received from Angela Richardson. So let's look at this. Hi, my name is Angela Richardson. I am the Director of Information, DOI. Now notice the Director of Information is capitalised in of, but not in the abbreviated version, so that's the first thing. Of Her Majesty Custom and Revenue, London, United, New Line, Kingdom. So again, not exactly grammatically correct, and it should be of Her Majesty's Customs and Revenue, or Inland Revenue, or whatever. So already this screams as being a scam. So let's look through a little bit further. So our duty is to look into transactions and records of banks, securities, companies and financial houses within Europe and Africa, based on the directive of British former Prime Minister Mr. Gordon Brown and United Nations Secretary. We also, new line, work in collaboration with American, Asian, African and Australian clearinghouses. We investigate inheritance and new line, contractual claims and apportion adequate compensation. View the website for more information. Now the website that's listed here is a BBC one. It's the BBC News, allegedly, but as probably some of you will realise, if you go to any of the BBC sites, any of the subdomains of the BBC are always suffixed rather than prefixed. So it would be bbc.co.uk/news or .news rather than news.bbc.co.uk. So this is a spam domain or a fake domain. So going on, as a matter of urgency, get back to me with your full names and telephone number to my direct email address. This is where it gets good. So this is an official person working for Inland Revenue or Customs and Excise or whatever, and their email address is angela.richardson16@yahoo.com, which sounds completely above board and legit. Respectfully, Angela Richardson. So essentially this is complete baloney and I'm not going to be taking any notice of it whatsoever. But if for any reason you get an email similar to this or worded similar to this, the best thing to do is to immediately delete it. So let me know in the comments if you've received an email or some kind of thing similar to this in your inbox recently. If you have, let me know, I'll be interested to see it. And if you want to send me any screenshots, you can do so on our Discord server, which I'll put the links in the description below so you can post them and we can all have a good laugh at them. Anyway, please don't fall victim to any of these scam attacks. If for any reason you're not sure, don't click on any of the links, don't reply, just delete it. If it is legitimate, they will reply or they will return the email to you. And obviously if it is legitimate and you don't answer it, they will keep on trying to get in contact with you until eventually they either phone you or someone turns up on the door, which is possibly the safest bet these days. Anyway, I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. This has been a relatively comical spam email and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.